Are you ready to transform that kind of okay space in your home? I'm Gina with WTI, and I was completely blown away by how amazing the space looks with this set of dining chairs that I got from SICOTAS. Now, you may be expecting furniture from Amazon to be difficult to put together and kind of flimsy, but this set is the complete opposite. These come partially assembled, and so I was able to put on the legs and the crossbar myself in about 30 minutes. You will need a power tool with a Phillips head attachment in order to put the screws on the crossbar, but everything else comes with the chairs. I got the dark gray alder. It matches the table I also got from SICOTAS, and this whole set together is just stunning. These chairs are solid wood, and I love that the look, although modern, could match a lot of different aesthetics like this cute farmhouse style that we put it into. The chairs themselves are comfortable, and there's 17 inches of seating space, and the back support is naturally curved, so I found that I didn't feel uncomfortable sitting in them, and in fact, it was nice to put my feet up on another chair and just relax into my morning. I think you're going to be as blown away as I am by the quality and the look of these. They're amazing, and that's my point of view.